How to delete GCash account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can delete our GCash account. So if you're also wondering on how we can do that, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. First of all, head over and open up your GCash application on the device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you will be seeing this kind of interface on your screen. So after you reach here at the bottom, you will be finding different buttons here. So you can look up for the option called profile here at the top, at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the space. So here, you can find this option beside the fully verified, beside your profile name, you will be finding a small arrow. You're going to go ahead and click on it for the next step. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding a new menu page where you will be finding a delete account option. So scroll down until you're able to find a delete account option. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can find this option called delete account. Under update account information, you can just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, follow the on-screen prompts. They ask you to do so, and then your account should be deleted of your GCash. So that is it. That is how you can delete up your GCash account as well, following the process that I just told you. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.